What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I sound like shit. I feel like shit. I have been very sick for today, but I'm still gonna come on and give y'all Vlogmas 8. Pretty much just relax and watching TV. Wifey came to make some dinner, so not much to do. Catch up the next video.
That's like the core. I just cut the core open, and that's what we're.
This is what's going on with people cooking.
Yeah.
Cooking. And Vlogmas 8.
It looks like a butt cheek.
Wifey came to cook dinner. Let me see.
It looks like a butt cheek.
A pepper with balls.
Smash butt cheek, cause look like butt cheek.
Yo, so we eating peppers with balls and butt cheeks.
What is this?
She's so amazed.
I really am. I'm about to cut it open. I want to see what it is.
Don't kill his balls. You killed his babies. You killed his balls.
It's peppers.
Eat it. I dare you to eat his balls.
I'm not eating.
Eat his balls. Eat it!
Shh.
I'm gonna smash that camera.
Yo.
You break it, you buy it.
You buy it, cause you got.
That's what you call beef. Pepper steak. Pepper steak. Pepper steak. Pepper what?
Pepper steak.
Pepper steak. Yeah. Yeah. It's about to go down. Yay. It's gonna be the before and you get the after. It was good. Look at that look. That's the chef.
Looking crazy.
I'm almost done, but that's the chef. Oh, let me find out she's shy now.
Let's do it.
You shy now? She
Put me
made it
on
to the
blast.
Vlogmas. This is Vlogmas 8 you made it. They were asking for you. Because I have so many subscribers. They were asking for you.
You're right.
Hello. Hi.
Around me.
Like, share, follow, comment, subscribe.
She's been MIA.
Share.
MIA.
Not intentionally.
Oh, the food was delicious. I have a bruise in my head. Kind of hurts. And I'm shaky as hell too, but I was still ate it. It was good. This is Vlogmas 8. Hope y'all enjoying it. Hope y'all liking it. Make sure to comment, like, share, subscribe. And I'll catch you in my next video. Peace.
I'll